Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Suhas, currently pursuing my MBA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, which is affiliated to VTU, Belagavi. In this video, we would like to talk about accounting cycle. So, what is accounting cycle? The accounting period of a business is separated into activities that help the business keep its accounting records in an orderly fashion. The next thing is the accounting cycle. So the first thing is collect and verify source of documents. The next one is analyze each transaction. The third one is journalize each transaction. Fourth is post to the ledger. Fifth is prepare a trial balance. The sixth is prepare a worksheet. Seventh is prepare financial statement. The eighth is journal and post the closing entries. The final thing is a prepare of post closing trial balance. So the first step, collecting and verifying documents. A paper that is prepared as evidence of a business transaction, which involves an invoice, list of specific information involving the buying or selling of an item on account. Receipts, a record of cash received by the business. Memorandum, a brief written message that describes a transaction that places with a business. Check sub, same, the information that appears on a check as well as the account balance. Step 2 is analyzing business transaction. Analyzing information from the source documents to determine the debit or credit parts of each transaction. You may not be given a description of transaction but must be find the information of the source of documents. The third step is recording the business transaction in a journals. Journals, a record of the transaction of a business kept in chronological order. Journalizing, the process of recording business transaction in a journal. Record of original entries. It is where transactions are first entered in the accounting system, which is also known as ACA record of original entry. The next step is posting to the ledger. Posting, the process of transferring information from the journal to individual journal ledger accounts. General accounts, a permanent record organized by account number, show changes in an account's balance, which is known as journal ledger. So these are the example of ledger account, which consists of serial number, date, description, post reference, debit or credit. Step 5. Prepare a trial balance. Trial balance. A list of all the account names and their current balances. Providing the ledger comparing the total of debits to the total of credits to see if the balance sheets are equal. So the example of trial balance is this, which consists of the particulars, portfolio, debit or the credit. The sixth step is prepare a worksheet. Worksheet, a working paper used to collect information from the ledger account in one place. Information is needed to prepare financial. So these are the worksheets of accounting. You can just see this. Step 7. Prepare of financial statements. The financial statements follows summarize the changes resulting from business transactions that occur during an accounting process. The income statement reports net income or losses of a specific time period. Statement of owner's equity summarizes changes in the owner's capital account as a result of business transactions that occur during the period. Balance sheet, a report of the balances in the permanent accounts at the end of the period. Statement of cash flows, which summarizes the amount of cash taken in source of cash, amount paid out, or the uses of cash. So the eighth step is journalize and post of closing entries. Closing entries. It means journal entries made to close or reduce to zeros the balances in the temporary accounts and to transfer the net income or the losses for the period to the capital account. So the final step is the prepare of post closing trial balance. Prepare to make a sure total debits or a perfect debit equal to credits after the closing entries are posted. So these are the example of trial balance, post closing trial balance, which consists of account title, balance, balances, which consists of two amount columns. The first one is debit and the second one is credit. Thank you.